Are you interested in learning how to increase the passive income streams you currently have through crypto? Do you want to discover how to increase the amount of cryptocurrency you make while expending the least effort? Opportunities to generate passive income are opening up as the use of cryptocurrencies grows more mainstream. The goal of developing a passive income stream with cryptocurrencies is to generate income round the clock without lifting a finger. You can now put your Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies to work for you as long as you wish, eliminating the need to take excessive trading risks, waste time on menial chores, or let your Bitcoin sit there without earning anything. Take some time to set it up. After they have been set up, they will continue to bring in recurring revenue for you while requiring very little to no additional work on your end. Hi, and welcome back to Fascinating Self. Today, we will reveal 5 cryptocurrency passive income strategies. Before we do, ensure you are subscribed to our channel so you won't miss any uploads. Stick with us to the end of the video, and you will gain a lot of knowledge on how to survive in this market that scares the hell out of people. Strategy number 1. Staking. Crypto staking is a method of generating money without doing any heavy lifting at all. It may be comparable to earning interest or dividends on your money while keeping the underlying assets safe. As an incentive for vouching for the integrity of transactions on an underlying blockchain network, staking provides you with cryptocurrencies. The idea of transferring money from one digital wallet to another may sound complex, but most people are able to do it themselves, or they can use services provided by crypto exchanges that handle the technical intricacies for a fee. Most cryptocurrency staking returns outperform those of a savings account in general. Staking, on the other hand, is not without danger. You will get paid in crypto, which is a risky investment. Occasionally, you will need to put your crypto in a safe deposit box for a specific amount of time. In the event that the system fails to perform as intended, you may be penalized by having some of your cryptocurrency staked lost. Staking can be a great method to build a cryptocurrency portfolio with assets that you want to keep for a long time. In some cases, the technology underpinning cryptocurrencies rely on crypto staking in order to function properly. Staking is not used by all crypto networks, however, as should be noted. The so-called proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies will almost certainly allow for staking. There are a few examples: Cardano, Solana, Shiba Inu. Proof-of-work coins use mining. We will discuss this in a minute. Mining is heavily reliant on high-end computers and can consume much electricity. Proof-of-work coins include Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Strategy number 2. Cloud mining. The times when mining was the domain of the well-off tech-savvy are long gone. Cloud mining has made it possible for anybody to participate in mining and earn a passive income. Everyone, regardless of their technical or financial expertise, can participate in the crypto mining. In order to mine cryptocurrencies utilizing rented cloud computing capacity, cloud mining has already been conceived as a means to do so without having to install or physically operate any software or hardware. Simply opening an account and paying a small fee, anyone can engage in Bitcoin mining from anywhere in the world. As a result, cloud mining companies have opened up mining to a wider range of users. $Mine is a wonderful place to begin if you are curious about cloud mining. $Mine is a mobile cloud mining software that anyone may use from anywhere to mine Bitcoin. $Mine uses cutting-edge mining technology to allow customers to mine a wide variety of tokens at low costs. As a result, they get the best possible return on their mining investment. With the use of the platform's computer resources, people can create Bitcoin without having to buy their own cryptocurrency mining GPU or other high-priced cryptocurrency mining equipment. Processes are easy to understand and everyone can use them. To begin mining, all you need to do is sign up for an account on the platform, purchase a contract, and rent a miner once your account has been validated. As a result, The platform provides a steady stream of revenue while you concentrate on playing golf and going to the beach. Strategy number 4. Borrowing or lending. Lending out one's cryptocurrency holdings is a relatively new investment strategy that provides investors with high rates of return on their capital. Traditional savings account interest rates are generally lower than those on crypto accounts, which pay interest. The only downside is that these higher rates come with a substantial degree of risk. People, rather than businesses, are typically involved in a cryptocurrency loan agreement. When it comes to loans, cryptocurrencies are at the center of both collateral and the fundamental source of value. In exchange for borrowing out your assets and paying you a share of the interest, many platforms now offer cryptocurrency accounts that pay interest. The level of risk is determined by who you lend your money to on the site and what security they want as collateral. Large financial entities have substantially different risks than individuals who may not be capable of repaying unsecured loans. However, lending could be an option to consider if you are searching for a way to put your cryptocurrencies to good use and generate some additional cash. The absence of a credit check is a major disadvantage of crypto loans. Your credit score is unnecessary to get an unsecured crypto loan, and it does not matter that you missed one payment on your card debt due to unavoidable circumstances. For this reason, most crypto loans are dispersed within 24 hours of your application. Consequently, Bitcoin lending is an excellent choice if you need quick cash. Hey fascinating people, if you like this video, hit the like button and comment "I subscribe" so that everyone can see who's the most fascinating action taker here. Strategy number 4. Yield farming. Another method of generating passive crypto income is yield farming. Decentralized exchanges allow for dynamic operations and a high level of liquidity. Smart contracts can be used on trading platforms. These are computer contracts that may be programmed to run on their own. As a result, investors can access additional capital. Users do not deal with brokers or even other traders. Instead, they compete for the liquidity pool's cash by trading against investors' money. As a result, liquidity providers get paid a percentage of the trading fees collected from this pool of investors. Several elements go into determining the interest rate. Farming can yield an APY of 30% on well-known coins on a good week if all goes right. Less well-known coins, on the other hand, can reap even greater returns. However, there are downsides to this approach. Users must first take into account price volatility. Especially for the less well-known coins, this is crucial. Additionally, rug pulls must be taken into account when promoting these methods. To earn passive money using the yield farming method, you must first become a liquidity provider, LP. Uniswap and PancakeSwap are two popular DeFi tokens that may be used with this system. Liquidity deposits are transferred to LP tokens that reflect a portion of the pool's overall liquidity. LP tokens can be staked to earn additional interest on decentralized lending systems that support them. Strategy number 5. The good old HODL strategy. HODL is a term often used in the Bitcoin investment community. It's a misspelling of hold, with an interesting story behind it that we will tell in a future video. It's not just a catchphrase, but a passive investment approach as well. The approach of earning money with cryptocurrency is preferred for people who are willing to take chances. This entails obtaining the crypto asset of your choice from a cryptocurrency exchange and then purchasing additional units of that asset whenever its price falls. This strategy is more often known as buying the dip. The asset may be sold after a few months or years if the overall profit is more than the purchase price. Despite the current dip, established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin have maintained an upward trend by looking at the charts. Reading the coin's white paper is essential before making a long-term investment in a cryptocurrency. If you are curious about the service's origins and goals, this will provide enough information to hold your interest. Traders can take advantage of the cryptocurrency's extreme volatility to regularly set both long and short positions. On the other hand, holding can offer greater security to investors because it shields them from short-term volatility and the danger of overpaying for a stock. Strategy number 6. Affiliate programs, airdrops, and forks. Numerous cryptocurrency affiliate programs reward you for bringing them more clients. There is no cost to join an affiliate program. Once you register, you will receive a one-of-a-kind URL. You can distribute the link in any way you see fit, including via social media, websites, blogs, and discussion forums. You will be paid a commission if someone signs up or buys something after clicking on your link. It's easy to get started and start making money right now. Even years after putting in all that effort, money would keep rolling in. Coins that have forks are those that branch out from the original chain. As a result of your support for the original product, you will be rewarded. New currencies often come with free airdrops. As a reward, they encourage people to test out a new cryptocurrency product. Crypto affiliate schemes can greatly aid the promotion of new crypto items. To enhance sales and trading volumes, numerous businesses employ these strategies. For example, affiliate marketing on Facebook and Twitter is a popular way for these businesses to reach their targets. Look for a high commission rate program and a solid track record. You may make a lot of money with affiliate programs if you already have a significant following of people willing to listen to your advice and recommendations. You have a plethora of options thanks to your cryptocurrency. In this video, we have gone over 6 ways to earn passive income using cryptocurrencies. All of these can be useful to newbie and seasoned users alike. All your digital assets should be tailored towards increasing your net worth. You can get there by making smart judgments and keeping an eye on the market. Click on the link in your screen to watch our video on passive income ideas that actually work.